Hi, I'm Tom Mills with Tree Pro, and I'm here to show you how to put in our Tree Pro protector. Our Tree Pro protector is our flat sheet that forms into a tube. You can use these for seedling installations. You can use them for a larger tree if you already have one that's 4 or 5 foot tall that's branched out. Anything that you want to do post-planting maintenance on. That's where the Tree Pro comes in an advantage compared to our Miracle Tubes or other fully formed tube products on the market. The first thing, since I've got a seedling here, is I want to start and slide my zip ties in on the top and work my way down. So I've got 2 holes here. We slide the zip tie in one side, through the other, and then pull this top one tight, because the top one doesn't need to be on the stake, because our tree protectors have enough plastic in them that the wind is not going to fold it over. All right, so now we work our way down. I'm going to go ahead and put the next one in. I'm going to just do a couple clicks on the zip tie. And so I do that so I can just put that on the stake, and then I want to take the protector and wrap it around just the seedling. And you should have about a 1-inch overlap over the entire length of the tube. And that'll get pulled tight against the stake. Actually, I'm going to pull this one tight because it's a little bit too high for our stake. Bear with me, I'm trying to fumble around for my zip ties. Take the next one, and again, slide it through both zip ties, pull it tight. And then there's one more at the bottom. Make sure you have all your zip ties. I obviously forgot one of them. Put the last one through both sides with the 1-inch overlap. Pull those zip ties tight, work your way up, pull it tight. Make sure you've got your 1-inch overlap against your stake. That helps seal up the tube. The last thing you do is fold out the top tabs. What that does is it takes away any sharp edges from hitting the edge of the tree and that soft bark. Finally, give a look down the top. Make sure you don't have your tree caught by any zip ties. Take your bird mesh, slide it over the top, and boom, you've got your Tree Pro protector installed. It does take a little bit longer than the Miracle Tube, but if you wanted to come back and clean out the tube with our releasable zip ties, it's a lot easier to open up this tube, clean out leaves, do pruning on the tree, any kind of post-planting maintenance. So if you have any questions, check out our website, treepro.com. You can call us or email us. Our phone numbers are on there. Have a great day.